for me. They're filled with gold, and I can't see the light, and I can't fight the night. But the entrance of your words give it light. The entrance of your words, Jesus, it's in your light that we see light, and mountains will be moved, and mountains will be moved by faith, faith that